press and hold the photo button. While doing so, power the transmitter on to allow the transmitter to enter binding mode. Power the HS001 display on by pushing the power switch up. After the display is powered on, the display will beep continuously and enter binding mode as well. At this time, you may power on the aircraft. During the binding process, please do not move the aircraft, press or touch any keys, buttons, or sticks, or the aircraft will drift and be unstable during flight. When the binding is successful, the aircraft's rear LEDs will turn solid, and the transmitter's binding/pairing LED will turn a solid green. The display and transmitter screens will now match each other. To increase the excitement of flying the aircraft, you may also insert the LCD display into the video glasses and meet with an entirely new flight experience.